Hi po! Matagal po tayong hindi nakapag-vlog. Oh, grabe yung trabaho nila. Second stop in Lego.
Einmal die kleine Marie.
Hi! Food is the best when it's shared. At lumalaki po siya. We are now ready to go to church. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Wala pong kindergarten si Aria kasi marami pong nagkasakit. Kulang ng staff again sa kindergarten. And they must, yesterday ibang group, today iba na naman na group. So group ni Aria today ang hindi mag-kindergarten. Now it's time to have a breakfast. Can you want bacon? Come here. I can also make a bacon for you. Alam nyo, nagkasakit din po ako. Hindi ko inasahan sa tagal-tagal ko dito sa Germany. Ngayon ko palang na-realize, ngayon ko palang nalaman na meron pala akong allergy sa dust, pollen. Pero dito lang siya lumalabas. Sa Germany lang talaga. Pero sa Philippines, wala naman.
Mom, why are you talking so fast?
Sorry about that. Hindi ko po alam kung sa edad ko ito or dahil po dito sa lugar kung saan kami dito sa Germany. So dahil walang kindergarten si Aria, ay kailangan po natin mag-entertain sa kanya. Tayo po mag-aalaga sa kanya the whole day. And kailangan natin mag-isip ng activity or anong gagawin. Pero today is windy, mahangin. Gusto ko sana siyang gawin.
Mama, it's almost...
Your hair is ready. It's time na to breakfast. Hi! Hello, Arya! Arya! Hi! Come, let's go. Why? What are you doing? What are you doing that? You're so tired?
No.
Come down.
My feet are going up. Mama,
Okay, come.
Mama, when we're done going up, can you push me for a little?
Yeah, okay. I can push it.
Because for me it's too hard.
Are you not cold, baby?
No,
Really?
not just a little.
A little, yeah?
No, not a little.
Wow! OMG! Cherry blossoms is here, guys!
It's almost spoiling.
Yeah.
And it's almost summer, I mean.
Hi po! Matagal po tayong hindi nakapag-vlog. Nag-rest po tayo for 1 week. Yeah, you can walk. Uy! Pinagdas. And it's springtime here. Look at that. Wow! Namunga na yung mga cherry blossom. Oh my God! Sobrang ganda! Gusto ko tayong i-picture mamaya, Ariaya. Tingnan nyo naman yan, oh. Kapag meron pong bulaklak na ganyan, it means springtime. So wala na pong lamig-lamig pero sad to say, medyo malamig pa rin. Kaya grabe yung jacket ko, pang winter pa rin. Nagdala ko ng shawl. This is actually for Arya pero sabi niya, hindi pa daw siya nilalamig. Dahil galaw po siya ng galaw. Yeah. I will clean it later. Ay naku, umuulan dito. Kaya medyo madumi po yung kanyang scooter. Yeah. Oh my God! So nice! Ayan po, marami pa pong cherry blossom dyan, oh. Doon banda. Doon sa pinakalikod. Pero ito ang early na nag-bloom. Early flowers. Kaya, early din siya
Mama, this has
tagaktak.
this one I got one.
Yeah. So siya, the Arya. It's so early to bloom.
No, I'm gonna go. There's a big...
Arya, so early to bloom, but early din, oh. Nagbagsak yung mga flowers. Sus, kasayang. Ayan. It's already here, in the floor. I want to take you a picture there, please. So nice. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda.
Just a board.
You're so cute. Ayan. Hi! Sa sobrang ganda po ng cherry blossom dito, ay mag-photoshoot tayo kay Arya. Pero gamit na po ang ating cellphone. Wow! Oh, oh, wow! At the back na. There you are. Yes, wow! OMG! That's my girl. That's my girl.
No, wait. I know how. Just take a video. Just click, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Click.
I got it! Thank you! Super! So, is my model good? She's doing really good. And she knows what to do. Haha! Wait, baby. Okay. Wait.
Oh, I don't want to fall on.
No, you're not Paul. 1, 2, 3, go. Woohoo! Zupa! Oh! Cute!
Mama?
Naglakad po kami from our bus stop going here. It's around 8 minutes kasi 12 minutes yung nandoon nakalagay. And ito po yung bus station, bus stop na meron pong magandang tanawin. Oh, grabe yung trabaho nila, oh. I don't know if they are repairing or something. Pero ang ganda po ng view. Sa baba po dyan ay Rhine River. Tapos doon naman yung mountain kung saan yung mga castle. One of the historical places here in Germany. Kung saan si Hitler. Si Hitler. Arya, look there.
Yes, I'm gonna just wait here and
Okay.
look at the bus.
Ayan po sila, oh. Nagre-repair sa taas. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Ayan sila. Habang nagre-repair, habang nagtatrabaho po sila,
Top is there.
may maganda po silang view.
Someone in the top is there.
Yeah, they are. Oh, they're also like grilling. Ayan, oh, may usok. I don't know if they are grilling or something. Nakasakay na po kami ng bus at nalimutan ko po na strike ngayon, kaya wala pong biyahe na tram. Kaya ngayon po ay magti-train tayo. Dito po tayo sa train station sa Bad Godesberg. At bumili po tayo ng bread ni Arya. What you got, Arya?
Pretzel.
Bretzel. That's her favorite bread.
This one and this one.
Yeah.
You first this one.
Mas gusto niya po yung salty kaysa sa matamis. So guys, first stop, we are here now in Bonn City Centrum, and the first stop is in
McDonald's.
Kain. Let's eat po. And I have a coffee. Shoes. Second stop, shoes. We buy your shoes. Here.
The Lego.
Okay, then Lego. Second stop is Lego. And we're inside.
I got some
And this girl really loves Lego. You love Lego, girl? And your collections? We go to your collections later. So, Arya, come here. This side. This is now our second stop in Lego store, and she already choose one. What you choose, Langgain? What is that? Eh?
a cat.
The name is, what is it? The name is the Aristocats Adorable Marie. It's 369 pieces. Schaffst du das? It's normally for 7 years old and up. But I think you can
I'm
do it.
almost. I'm almost.
Almost 7 in December.
I'm 6.
Okay. Look at this Look. Oh, ang cute niya oh.
No,
Okay, okay,
I'm the third.
Okay. In this side. You're gonna pay by your own here. This side lang kayo to this side. So guys, she gonna pay by her own.
Ja, danke. Vielen
Okay, go.
Hallo. Einmal die kleine Marie für dich. Sehr schön. Habt ihr ein Kundenkonto bei Lego? Okidok. Hier kriege ich 39,99 von dir. 50 in bar. Vielen Dank.
Excited?
So, das ist einmal dein Wechselgeld. Wunderbar. Möchtest du noch eine Tüte haben?
Ja, bitte.
Gerne, gerne. Und ich drucke euch gerade auch noch den Kassenbon ein. Wir haben nämlich mit den Kassenzetteln aktuell auch ein kleines Gewinnspiel. Da könnt ihr den theoretisch hier einreichen und Gutscheine für Tierparks und so grundsätzlich so Outdoor-Erlebnisse gewinnen und auch eine Reise ins Legoland.
Bigel.
Dann wünsche ich dir ganz viel Spaß damit und einen schönen Tag euch noch.
Thank you. Danke. Come lang. Oh my God. Hey girl. Just go. Come here. Come baby, we go in this side lang. I will take a picture again. Arya. Arya, here.
Actually, Mama, I wanted to go to Legoland for a long time. I was 5 years old and I really want to go to Legoland. I was by my dad.
Ooh, another shopping in Lego, guys. What is this number? Our third stop, third stop is here in the shoe store in JD. So we're gonna look at shoes for her. Here's for the kids. Oh, so cute. Oh my God. Really cute. You like that? Good? You try to dance? A. 1, 2, 3, A.
I want to wear this. This is actually also new, right?
Yes, it's from Sarah. So, ayun na po. On our third stop, we have, Arya got new shoes from New Balance. Ayan. So, from our third stop, Arya got a new shoes from New Balance. So cute. So nice. And, nakita po ako ng Angibot or sale. This cost normally 65 euro and they sell this for 40 euro. So, fit sa akin kasi maliit ako.
65.
Yeah, normally. Fit sa akin kasi maliit po ako kaya medyo hang, ganyan. And then, yung pants natin is 20 euro na lang po siya. From Mackenzie. Ayan. So, kinuha ko na po natin to. And I'll be going home with a bag.
How can we bring the KFC?
Oh, yeah. Our fourth stop po ay sa KFC para magbili po tayo ng pasalubong. You have to wear this. You have to wear because it's a bit outside is a bit cold. Come. So we're gonna go to KFC. We're gonna go to KFC now. So, ayan. Lumabas po tayo na iba na po yung ating suot. Ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa mga bata. Grabe po kasi sa kainit yung jacket ko kanina. Akala ko sobrang lamig. Ay, Diyos ko. Pati mga singit-singit na natin nagpawis-pawis. Punta na po tayo ngayon sa mga bata pero bili po tayo ng KFC. Chef, to has to?
Yeah.
Wow! You already know how to clean there. That's high for you before. We are here now, guys, and we have pasalubong. Here. Say delivery. Did you really clean?
Yeah. They're going now.
Okay. Hello. Hi! Hello. Can you bring this also, please? The Pepsi. Thank you. So we're going inside. There's a lot of things. So heavy. Hello, hello, hello. Parang si ano. Hi, good morning. Happy Sunday. Ang ganda ng Sunday natin kasi magluluto po tayo. Magluto tayo ng afritada. Meron na po tayo ditong swivel, onion, and then our garlic. And ang afritada natin ay chicken. Yan, chicken afritada po yung ating gagawin. Okay, dito na nalutuin. Ang bango na. Habang naghintay tayo na medyo makrispy-crispy yung ating onion at garlic, inubunan po tayo ng tea. Alam, hindi ako pinatulog na aking ubo. Kainis. Yan, may tea tayo dito at saka ginger. Fresh ginger. Hi! Here's my girl. Hi, good morning, girl. Here, nakapajama pa po kami. Ayan. Uy, naligo siya kagabi, kaya huwag ka dito, Angga, kay mabaho, oh. You go there, Anggain. Sorry. You wanna eat now? Okay. So, bisan ko lang ito. Isasalang yung ating chicken kay maggawa tayo ng breakfast. Para habang nag-breakfast tayo, luluto naman ito. Ayan. Bayaan lang muna natin. Ayan. Pepper. Wait, ayan tayo mo. Ayan, hintayin na lang po natin maluto yung ating chicken. Sa mga dry cough po pala, mainam na mag-inom kayo ng honey. Mas better ang honey. Ayan, 98% luto na po yung ating chicken. Huwag po natin siyang i-murder, huwag natin masyadong ilata. Kaya, ilagay na po natin yung ating mga gulay. Kaya medyo matagal din po itong gulay. Grabe, ang dami po pala nating gulay. Yung ating chicken ay medyo nag-liquid siya. No? Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng kahit na anong sauce. Pero grabe, ang dami po niyang liquid. Tingnan nyo, oh. Alam nyo ba na andito po, dito kinukuha yung collagen na nasa chicken. Aside po sa fish, ang collagen po ay kinukuha din po sa gata. Ang gata ba? Sauce ng chicken. Stay put mo muna natin ito. Pabayaan po muna natin ito habang tayo kumakain. At huwag natin galawin masyado kaya para hindi siya malata. Good morning! And here's our breakfast. Arya got broccoli and some cucumber and pears. And we also have here our... What is this, Arya? I forgot.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Bolognese. Ayan, and our bread na 2 days ago, pero makain pa naman siya. Sayang kasi, kaya ininit ko. And we have a coffee. So
That's for you.
yeah, it's for mom. And we have 2 kinds of bread here for Arya, if she likes to eat later. So let's eat, guys. Let's eat.
But Mama, what time? When you gonna go to the church?
Not everyone knows, but my daughter is really eating broccoli. So cheers, baby. Cheers. Let's eat some broccoli. Ayan po, nalagay na po natin yung ating mga gulay at saka yung ating paprika. Ngayon ay ilalagay na natin yung ating sauce. We have Leberwurst sa German or liver. Ano tayo? Liver paste sa atin. Ayan, dalawa po ang ating ilalagay kasi buong chicken po ito, medyo marami. At meron din po tayong tomato sauce. Ang tomato sauce natin ay meron na siyang Kräuter at Knoblauch or garlic. So, ito yung gusto ko kasi medyo may lasa. Ah! Grabe. Ah, God. Ano kaya to? Ang hirap. Ang tigas po niya. Ito bang trick na gagawin natin ito? Para tayong... Kaya hindi tayo pwede na mag-help, mag-ask help. Kailangan gamitin itong sarili. Ay! Ano ba? Ah! Ang hirap po talaga niya. Pero na-open na po siya. Ang ginawa natin ay kapag meron kang marinig na click, ayan, sa gilid, ayan, ready to open na siya. Yung baho po ay umabot po hanggang sa baba. Taas. Ay! So, nilalagay na natin yung ating liver spread pala. Liver spread natin. Dapat pala sana nilagay natin yung liver spread kanina na nagisa. Para hindi siya masyadong malangsa. Hindi naman siya malangsa ngayon pero mas better sana kanina pa, no? Pero yung liverwurst po dito, ang tawag, liver spread, ay ito po ay diretso na po kinakain nito. Nilalagay po sa bread. Yan po ginagawa. Yan. Ilalagay na rin po natin yung ating Kräuter Knoblauch na tomato sauce. Mura po natin masyadong madamihan. Pangpakulay lang po ito. Chika lang. Then last po natin ilalagay yung ating green peas. Kasi ito, luto na po siya. Diretso na po itong makain. Kaya kung nalagay natin ngayon, malata talaga siya kung isasabay natin sa mga gulay. Luto na po. Luto na yung ating chicken afritada. Ayan, chicken afritada natin. Ilalagay na po natin ito sa baunan. Kaya dadalhin po natin ito sa ating simbahan. Yan yung green peas. Pero ako masyadong madami kaya konti lang. Yan. Half lang siya. Kaya ko masyadong madaming green peas. I don't know pero medyo nababahuan ako. Kaya konti lang po natin nilagay. At baka nalimutan kong i-share na nilagyan din natin siya ng thyme and oregano. Yan. Kaya medyo mabango po talaga ito. Nilagyan pa natin. I-transfer po natin ito sa Tupperware dahil dadalhin po natin ito sa church, sa simbahan kung saan tayo nag-a-attend. So this is 98% luto. Dahil initin pa ito sa simbahan. Afritada is ready. So, we share this to our church, to our fellow Filipinos. And food is the best when it's shared. Share, share, share. Natapos na po yung ating main course. Ngayon ay gagawa po tayo ng dessert. Nare-request po ang dessert na to sa akin. Kaya magluluto po tayo ngayon ng turon. Hindi pa. Napakadali lang po nitong gawin. Prito nyo lang siya. Gumagamit po ako ng Sonnenblumen oil or sunflower oil. Yan, pang prito. Then, ang ginagawa ko, later ko na nilalagyan ng caramel or sugar. Kapag nato na siya lahat, parang itoppings ko lang siya.
Because there's something else in it.
Nee, I put here for you. There's only a saging, a banana. Yeah?
I don't like it.
Put cream in your face, please. We're almost done. So, guys, naluto na po natin yung ating turon. Kulang na po siya ng toppings or fillings. Ay, toppings pala. Hindi pala siya fillings. Ayan. So, ano ko siya, segregate. Kay, dito natin ilalagay yung ating caramel. Ang caramel ay sugar lang. Pero ang sugar natin is casavado. Ay, masavado. Ay,
Muscovado.
Ay, mascovado. Mascovado pala. Ha?
Mus. M-U-S.
You sure? Muscovado daw. Sige. From our, visitor. Ay. O sige, muscovado. O, ito lang po yung ating toppings. Ang caramel. Muscovado po talaga ito. Muscovado sugar. Brown. Very brown. Masarap pong sugar sa atin sa Philippines. Kaya organic, no? Meron pong muscovado dito. Medyo mas super brown siya. Pero mas mahal. Ayan. Nag-melt na po. So, melt na po talaga yung ating caramel at ready na po natin ilagay sa ating turon. OMG! Sobrang sarap po nating turon. Kain po tayo. Hi! Kasama po natin si Inday Padiday. Hi guys! So gusto niya pong mag-cap, mag-shoes ng ganito. She got a new shoes. The last time we bought it. Look at that, so nice. She got also a new jacket. Kami lang kain ko. Because it's springtime. At lumalaki po siya. Sabi ko, at marami pa dalang buyot. Buyot, ito na po yung naluto natin kanina. It's okay? We bring this? Okay. Bulang ko din yung plate number, ha? Magkikisakay po tayo muna kay lawan naman tayo sa sakyan. So we are now ready to go to church. Magkikisakay na po tayo. Grabe naman kayo smiling. This is our happy girl. And she got 2 bags. Dalawang bag ng dala niya. What else what did you put in your bag? Why is so much? Play-Doh?
I think a little bit of books.
Box?
Like what I get yesterday, but in the other bag there's snacks and more Play-Dohs.
Grabe yung ano, oh. Ito ng auto niya.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
So guys, we are here. Tae! Tae! Oh, sarap. Oh. Dito na po tayo ngayon sa church. Bigat naman. May magnakaw ba ito dito? So nice. Wow. Hi! Tapos na po kami magsimba. And tingnan nyo po, sobrang ganda. Pakita mo nga, please. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh. White house. Tapos meron po siyang, ano tawag yan, lily?
Cherry blossom?
Yeah, cherry blossom. And the white one, the white flower.
Lalo.
Para it's like a lily or something. Favorite flower po yan. Ni Sia. And we are so blessed. Are you blessed, Arya? Yes, our Sunday is a very blessed Sunday kasi nakasimba tayo, nakamingle with our brothers and sisters. And ngayon ay uwi na po tayo sa ating tahanan. So, let's go. And thank you for watching, baby. Ayun, magpapaalam na po kami. Thank you for watching. And please watch more and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye! Peace!
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers.